Hello everyone, this is Mark Corvin with Survival Bushcraft and Emergency Preparedness with another knots video for you. Actually specifically we're going to be covering a lashing today. This is a very commonly used lashing known as the square lashing. Its primary purpose is to connect horizontal and vertical poles together, among a few other uses as well. But this is a primary use. Okay, so let's get this going. I'm going to show you how to do this. Generally, I prefer to start off with about 9 to 12 feet of cordage. Alright, depending on the diameter of the pole that I'm lashing. So, from here, step one in this, guys, is going to be to tie a clove hitch. Now, many of you are very familiar with all of this. Some of you are not. I hope that the ones of you that are not can benefit from this. Those of you that are not familiar with a clove hitch, this is an essential and you need to know it. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. Alright, so I'm just coming around here. I'm going to kind of come down like this, just a hair. And I'm going to loop around the back. I'm kind of going to come underneath. And I'm going to tuck this under right through here. Okay, so you see how that's forming? Alright, just like so. Kind of almost looks like an X in shape. Alright, now ideally I want to leave about 4 inches of line here to tie off on. So let's move this around. I'm going to move this so that this tail piece is to the back because I'm going to tie off onto it. Make sure my clove hitch is good and tight. Okay, now from here, let's get her done. Okay, so from here, I am going to begin to wrap like this, and I'm pulling tight every time I do this. It's essential that you put force into this as tight as you can get it, to the point of quite literally hurting your hands. Okay, now paracord is very well known for hurting your hands when doing the lashings, and virtually any good lashing. Okay, so get used to it. Understand that. Don't be going, ow, that hurts. Just deal with it. Take the pain. Anyways, here we go. We're going to do this a minimum of 3 times. Alright, some people prefer to do this 5 or 6 times, which is fine. The more you do it, the stronger it's going to be for obvious reasons. Alright, so I've just went 3 times around, 3 times vertical, and in the back side you're going to find 2 of the same thing. Okay, horizontally. So from here, I'm actually going to start wrapping this around in a circular manner right here. I'm going to pinch these together. This is my lock. So as I'm going, I am pulling with a lot of force here. Now, you're going to want to really pull on this. It's essential that you do that like that, really hard. Okay? Every time you go around, you pull it in. That was 2. There's 3. I've got a little bit left over here. Not a big deal. 4th time ain't gonna hurt nothing. Okay? So, I'm pulling all that tight. Now all I'm gonna do here is, remember this little leftover guy here from the clove hitch, right? Well, now I'm just going to take this and wrap it around, and you can see what I've done here. Now I have the ability to tie off. Alright, now some people like to use another clove hitch. I see no real need for that. A good old-fashioned square knot does just fine. So tie that off. Good to go. So this is the square lashing. This thing is very, very tough. Okay. Alright, it ain't going nowhere. This has tremendous ability to control a lot of weight, hold a lot of weight. This way, that way. Anyway, it's very tough. Now remember, guys, those of you that are not real familiar with this stuff, that haven't used it, This is an essential that you need to know for bushcraft, for survival purposes, even camping. So learn it if you don't know it. Ask questions. Practice, practice, practice. And thank you guys. I hope you liked the vid. Hope someone learned something out of this. Take care and have a very good one. Thank you.